Kigeranio kia muthia gia kirathi gia kanana ni kiambiriirie kiroko kia umuthi gutari na muhinga o wothe. No kuri arutwo amwe a airetu mekorire mageikarira kigeranio giki mari mathibitari-ini makiheo ciana thutha wao kugia nda cia tene hindi iria githomo kirari kihinge. Kaunti-ini ya Kitui, murutwo umwe wa muiretu aratanahirwo na mwana utuku wa ira na aracoka kugia na thina wa mwiri, no thutha wa kwamukira urigitani athie na mbere na kigeranio guku angieri manyitirwo ni ruo rwa kugia mwana magika igeranio na mahanyukio thibitari-ini mateithika na macoka guthie na mbere na igeranio ciao ta uria County Commissioner John Odengo aratariria.
Wanafunzi wa kike watatu ambao wanafanya mtihani yao wakiwa hospitalini. Hawa ni walipatikana na mambo ya kushika mimba mapema na moja alizaa jana.
Na kwa kaunti-ini ya Kajiado na banene ya arutwo maikarire igeranio cimohete nda na amwe ao ni aciari. Mutafariri wa mihango ministry-ini ya ukui wa Vinyandeti akiuga thirikari ni inyitete itemi rinene hari gutigirira airetu aria mohete nda ni macoka thukuru na guthie na mbere na mathomo mao.
Lazima afanye mitihani. Hata wale wajawazito hakuna mmoja amefungiwa kufanya mtihani. Kwa hivyo wakuje wafanye mitihani na tunajua wamejiprepare. Kaunti-ini ya Narok ndetonota ino kuria na banene ya arutwo airetu mahinyiririo gutiganire mathomo mao kumana na kuhanda na amwe o kugimarithio kuria riu arutwo atatu marekira igeranio cia thibitari-ini ngurani kaunti-ini ino.
All those who registered for the national exams will have to sit for the exams, whether they are sick in hospital, whether they have given birth in hospital, wherever they are, they must sit for the exams.
Kaunti-ini ya Githii arugamiria igeranio mekorire haceke thutha wa gukinya macereirwo na kuhundirwo na muciĩ ni arugamiria githomo.
For the TSC county director, she has already got us 3 new ones who have replaced the 4 who are late. I think one could just be arriving. As you have seen, the vehicles have been bringing new invigilators.
Going forward, everybody must be here before 6 o'clock.
Murutwo mwe ni ageire na thina wa mwiri agika kigeranio na umwe ni kuregete gwikinya thukuru-ini guikarira kigeranio giki no inde muciari atumanirwo na acoka gwikinya thukuru na gwika kigeranio ndeto iria ikiritwo mukode ni County Commissioner Evans Achoki.
Candidate who was a bit late, we got a bit worried, but we got the head teacher to call the parents. Unfortunately, the candidate has come. So in this place now, all the candidates have started their exams. We have 4 invigilators who are late. I think you must have seen that.
Gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Kirinyaga ya gatagati arutwo atatu marekira kigeranio thibitari-ini kuria County Commissioner Jim Joka augite ni marire mitaratara ya gutigira arutwo aya ni meka igeranio ciao wega.
In Kirinyaga Central, we already have 3 who are in hospital, who are doing the exams in the hospital, but wherever they are, the examination will be being administered according to the regulations.
Na kwa mwena wa Thika kaunti-ini ya Kiambu arutwo eri marekira igeranio ciao thibitari-ini kuria umwe aratungania na mutino muthi wa ira no agikira ndeto ino mukode. Minister wa githomo Professor George Magoha augite matiri hatika-ini.
Sure that the one that was that had a road traffic accident is quite stable and able to take the exam. The exam will be taken to the child there.
Kigeranio giki gia KCPE gitanyitwo gukarikira muthenya wa gatatu kiumia-ini giki. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.